When we need to highlight the changes of an article, we can apply this feature, Track Changes. Track Changes. Click the Track Changes drop-down button in the Review tab and select Track Changes to enter the Track Changes mode. Its shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift-E. Then, when we add text to the paragraphs, the text automatically appears in red. When we delete text or change its style, there are corresponding records on the right. In simple terms, WPS Office automatically records and displays all the revisions in Track Changes mode. Track Changes options. If we need to change the style of markup, click the Track Changes options in the Track Changes drop-down button. In the dialog box, we can set the style of markup, the preferred width of balloons and margin, etc. First, we set Color Only for insertions and select blue. Second, we set Strike Through for deletions. In balloons, we can select the way of showing revisions. Select Show Reviser Information in Balloons, and when we insert text or delete text, revisions will be displayed in the original text. Select Show All Revisions in Line, and we can also see markup in the original text. But there's no comments box on the right. When you move your cursor to the revised text, a floating window appears to show revision records. Select Show Revisions in Balloons, and when we delete text, it is deleted thoroughly, and a comments box appears to remind you. Change username. If we want to change the username in the comments box, how can we do that? First, select Change Username in the Track Changes drop-down button to get a dialog. We can edit the username in the Name text box. Check Using this user information and click OK. Then the new username will be applied in the following revision process. At last, if we want to hide the revision records, we can shift the state to Final in the toolbar. If we want to restore the text to the original, we can click Original. Did you get it?